Hello everyone, welcome to America Reads Fun Learning Activities. We are a group of college students passionate about creating exciting learning experiences for kids. Our activities cover reading, writing and math. My name is Yash Tilkade, your trusted guide and fellow explorer today. Today we are setting a sail on a special voyage, a rhyming quest that will take us through enchanted forests of words and melodies of sounds. Have you heard of the words that sing together creating a beautiful rhythm? Those are called rhymes, and they have a magical way of making stories and songs even more captivating. So are you ready to discover this enchanting world of words that sound alike and dance together in perfect harmony? Excellent! With spirits high and hearts full of excitement, let's dive right in and begin our rhyming adventure. Step 1. Imagine a vibrant bustling town named Rhyme Town where every street, lane and alley is filled with words that sound alike. Picture colorful houses where words like sun, fun are neighbors, waving to each other every morning. Just around the corner, cat and hat are best buddies, often seen playing catch in the park. As you stroll through Rhyme Town's market, you will hear the character of words like moon, spoon, dune, and balloon discussing their plans for a nighttime picnic under the stars. The beauty of the Rhyme Town is that every word has a friend and a partner that sounds just like it. And today we are not just visitors, we are going to be the town's special guest, helping words find their rhyming partners and joining in their delightful parties. Step 2. Playing with phonograms. Phonograms are like the special clubs or community centers in the Rhyme Town where words with similar endings gather. Picture a grand hall with "Ache" written on its entrance. Inside, a cake is celebrating its birthday with bake, shake and lake, and even rake. They are all dancing and singing because they end in "ache." A few blocks away, there's the Ant Community Center. Words like plant, chant, grant, and slant are having soccer match, cheering each other on. They are on the same team because they rhyme. As we explore these phonogram clubs, let's brainstorm and list down more words that can join these fun gatherings, and I hope you guys are wonderful in that. Step 3. Playing with constant blends. Constant blends are the starting sounds of some words, and in the Rhyme Town they have their own special neighborhoods. Imagine a picturesque street named Boulevard. Here blue and blue are flying kites while the black, block and blaze are hosting a block party. Then as we turn around the corner to the terrace, we see tree having a party with three while truck is racing with track and tray. It's a lively place where words with similar starting sounds play, laugh and create memories together. Let's take a moment to visualize other constant blend neighborhoods. What would the street festival look like with words like star, stick, stool and storm? The possibilities of forming these words are quite endless. Step 4 is the rhyming challenge. So champions, it's the challenge time. Picture a grand game show set in the middle of Rhyme Town Stadium with bright lights and cheering audience. When I say a word, your task is to think of as many rhyming words as you can. If I say, for example, red, you can go for bed, lead, shed, tread or spread, whatever you think. So for moon, there's soon, dune, noon, balloon and tune. So each word you think of is like unlocking a door to a new house in the Rhyme Town. Let's see how many houses we can visit. Are ready to take on this exciting challenge? Excellent guys, let's move on. So for the challenge, I'll be giving out 5 words. Your task is to write 5 rhyming words to each of these words given. So the first word is cake. You can pause the video and can just think about it, write it down somewhere, or you can just take a piece of paper, write down all the 5 words that I'm giving to you and then continue your task. So the first word that I told you was cake. The second word is moon. The third word is cat. And the fourth word is shark, SHRARK. And the fifth word is red. So all the best guys, I hope you guys will enjoy doing this activity and all the best. Wow young friends, we have come to the end of our rhyming quest. Isn't it wonderful how words can sound so similar and create beautiful rhythms? Today we journeyed to the rhyme town, danced with words, and discovered their magical sounds. I am incredibly proud of all of you rhyme detectives. Remember, the world of rhymes is vast and enchanting, waiting for you to explore further. We would love to hear about your rhyming discoveries. Share your favorite rhymes or any fun word pairs in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed our rhyming quest, give us a big thumbs up and hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more such exciting adventures. Thank you for joining us today. Your enthusiasm and energy make this quest truly special. Until our next big adventure, keep rhyming, keep exploring, and keep smiling. Thank you so much. Bye bye.